can see, that's the house, that's the shop. There's about an acre there behind there, and then this is all 5 acres right here with the horses and stuff. All right, man, you gonna take me for a ride?
Where?
Back to the shop.
But you need to open it. First I'll get on the coat, then in the helmet, then the gloves.
Right.
Got it. Just push that through.
Don't worry about it. We're just riding around the corner. It's no big deal.
So I don't need my helmet?
Just leave it like that. Just leave it the way you have it. Okay, you're good.
Next time I take the jacket off.
You want to say hi to Nona and Nono?
Hi.
Right here.
Hola.
Because they're going to see you on YouTube tonight.
¿Cómo estás?
Yes, you look in the camera and wave and say, hola Nona, hola Nono.
Kind of busy right now. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
Actually, English and Spanish are really different, really different languages. Okay, hop on.
Start her up. Gotta do a little training on clutch finesse for Mr. Allen. And I'm gonna walk over here and open the gate so he can get out. Trisha's back over that way. Jigs is. I'm gonna open the gate here. There's Trisha. See if you can get out of second gear. I have to lock the gate. Finesse with the clutch. Okay. I guess we'll have to work on finesse. All right. Well, so that's November 6th, 2010, and we are in Belgrade, Montana, enjoying a very warm fall day, playing with Jigs, the horse, and Alex, he probably spent about a half an hour riding his motorcycle today. That's good. So we'll sign up for now.